going on, guys? Armando Nava, your local San Antonio realtor, checking back in. It is a windy day, so I do apologize for the wind here, but today we're going to be taking a tour of this beautiful Pulte home, model home here in Seguin, Texas. They just opened this up. This is the Hamilton floor plan. Okay, now it sounds a little bit better. Let me close that door. But this is a brand new community that they just opened up. So as you can see, this is one of their first model homes, and they actually have a Centex opening up right next door. It's gonna be a little bit more affordable pricing right next door, which is good because this is kind of like the upper, more pricier product that they have. Pulte is definitely a really great builder. I actually have a client building out a home from Pulte Homes, but as you can see right here, this model home is absolutely gorgeous. They have these really nice, unique light fixtures. They got a lot of natural lighting coming in. And then check this out. This is the Hamilton floor plan. So it is a 2-story, guys. Check it out. What do you guys think? Comment down below. But anyways, guys, once again, I do appreciate every one of you guys who's tuning in to the property tours. If you guys like them, be sure to consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing. And if you guys want to see more property tours like this will show you around what San Antonio or just Seguin or New Braunfels has to offer in case you guys are relocating down here. Just to show you the different builders, different products, and what they have to offer. So, this is really nice. One downside is that the closet space is a little bit small in my opinion. But then again, they have 2 closet space. So, that's the his and hers. They got the double vanity. They got this really nice kind of granite top. And they have a standard shower. So once again, with new construction, the beauty of it is that you can actually change it up a bit, if you're building from the ground up. One of the biggest things, I strongly recommend, if you're going with new construction, is depending on your budget, you can make some cool modifications depending on the floor plans. And you always gotta ask the builders too. So if you want a stand-up shower and bathtub combo, you can add that. If you want a bigger yard, bigger lot, you can do that. But at the same time, just like you've always heard, nothing is free. So it is going to cost you a bit more. We're going to go upstairs. So I'm sure this railing here is probably an upgrade. And then carpet upstairs. All vinyl plank flooring in the bottom. We have the recession lightings up there. And they have the speakers too, as you guys can see there. So those are some really cool features. Now this is the upstairs area, living room area, hang out with the fam, watch some movies, and now this is overlooking one of the busy streets out here in Seguin. So as you can see, they have all this development open up. All these homes are going up, so this is going to be a really great neighborhood for sure. But anyways, let me know what you guys think of this beautiful model home. Alright, this is bedroom number 2. For the kiddos, that's what I'm talking about. Nice little small closet, right? What I really like about Pulte is they have these really beautiful light fixtures. Like, check this one out. This is just very unusual, super cool. It's just different. I would definitely, what do you guys think? Do you guys like those light fixtures? Comment down below. So this is the front of the model home, and now New Braunfels isn't too far out from here. So that's another perk. All right, this is the other bath here. It has like a little powder section as well. And then we're gonna head on over to the last room here. But anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think about the property tour. If you guys enjoyed it, please smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm gonna leave you guys with another positive message. Every video I try to do this, but just a friendly reminder is that God loves you. He truly does. Keep pushing forward because he's there with you through all your struggles, through all your battles. Okay? So God bless you all. Thank you guys for watching. And y'all take care.